Alright, so we got 2 posts in, lined up pretty good. Just kind of eyeballing it. Somewhat think it'll be perfect. Just because it's just going to be a chicken coop, I mean. So, it's going to be 8 by 8. I was going to do 12 foot, but with the price of lumber kind of going up and getting out of sight, I decided to do 8 foot because it's going to be cheaper. Yeah, the chickens won't have a little bit of square footage, but it'll be alright. Trying to get everything kind of cleared up. So got this post in, so now I just got to do 2 more, and then we'll be ready to start putting together this chicken run pretty much. So what's up? So I got to get their little water dishes and everything cleaned up, but yeah, they're doing good. Other than that, I just threw them in some food and they're just kind of goofing around right now. This area is like way too small for this mini, so I got to get this other thing built for them. And I want to get this stuff done so that I don't have to worry about it during the winter. It'll be finished, and then we'll just use this because I can heat this very easily, and that'll be good. So these are all their water things. I just got so much crap to do, so trying to get this stuff done as fast as possible. Figured out where the other post's supposed to go. Got another one gonna go right there, and then we're good. So this is about how big it's gonna be, though. I've like plenty of room over here to run, and then we'll figure it out. All right, so I got the 4 posts in. We are good now. Digging the last post hole, so the door is going to be there. I'm probably going to put this wall right here on this side on hinges, so I can basically flip it out too if I wanted to. But the main door is going to be right there. So I just figured that, because if I do that, then this area can swing out, and then I can work on stuff and get big things like this in and out. Because I think what I'm going to end up doing is, as I'm building this area, trying to figure out like what I wanted to do. This is really big, and I'm going to have a covered area here anyway, so I'm going to just cut this completely off and take this top off and build something else that I could like set right there, kind of twist it and set right there, and then this will actually spin around so that the lay box will be this way. That would be a whole lot easier to get to it. And then I want to build a little thing that goes from maybe this post over to basically hang water on. And you know, I left the ground basically sloped because I want the water to run down past this, and this is going to be sloped this way so that water will run back this way. Now I'm not sure if I left enough room. The water's running back this way. I don't want it to hit the other building here, so I may end up having to put a gutter on the back end of this and reroute the water back and around that way, so that I don't have to really goof with it. So we'll figure it out, though. I don't know. I'm gonna work it out. What you doing? Y'all chilling? You're just watching me. Alright, so part 1 is complete. We have the posts in. I tried to dig them in where they were a little bit, so I'm going to have to notch this one a little bit. This one's going to have to be lopped off a little bit once I get the roof on, kind of figure out where that's going to go. So we're good to go there. All the posts are in, so this should be wide enough for me to walk in and out, and plenty of room over here, so it'll be good. So chicken coop part 1, I guess. We'll start back up again later. You guys take it easy. Peace.